Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olawo Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Galaxy Buds 2 and the new wireless charge trio. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now, if you find that my content is interesting and you want to help out the channel, please don't just watch the video. Also, mash that thumbs up button to give this video a like. And if you want to continuously receive content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Okay. So the Galaxy Buds 2. All right, take a look at the packaging really quick. That's pretty cool. All right, now this is the lavender color. You can also get it in graphite, white, or olive. All right, so with that stated, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Okay. All right, Galaxy Buds 2 case, and the earbuds are inside here, and the charge cable, which is going to be type C to type A. All right, so no need for me to open this. You can see it here, type C. All right, then type A. All right, so let's get all this out the way and jump right to it. Okay, let's take this off. Look at the case. Nice and smooth, just like the Galaxy Live Buds case. All right, in fact, you can see that this is the Galaxy Live Buds case and this is the Buds 2. All right, pretty much the same size. Actually, it looks like the Live Buds case may be a tad bit smaller, but pretty much fit in the same way in your pocket. Type C charge cable. So let's pop this open. And just note, once this is popped open, it's ready to be paired. All right. Now keep this in mind that the Galaxy Buds 2 are rated IPX2 water resistant. So you want to keep this away from water. Now, if you're sweating heavily, no issues there, all right? And some light splashes, maybe from rain, shouldn't have any problems there, but definitely do not want to go swimming or have these submerged in water, all right? So just keep that in mind. But the design of the case is really nice, all right? So let's take these out. Have a closer look. All right, there's label R and L, so you would know which ear they belong to or which ear they should be installed in. All right, you don't get the extra ear tips, so hopefully these will fit your ear. All right, it's touch sensitive, no buttons. All right, now with that stated, what I'm going to do, of course, is magnetically attached to this as well. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this connected to my phone, and it's extremely simple, and I'll show you just what I mean. All right, the case is open. Let's get this open. All right, go over here. Actually, open up the app, and it should recognize it right away. Got to update. Let's get past this really quickly. All right, it finished downloading, and as you can see, if I go here, do that again, if I tap those three lines there, you can see that it says add new device, and right away it sees the Galaxy Buds 2. Simply just tap it and it will install. Just that simple. Hit pair and that takes care of that. Quite simple. And it's done. Let's go through these steps really quick. Hit OK. All right, normally don't mess with this over here. So just tap OK. And you're all set, just as it stated. All right. So it's connecting and it's ready to go. That's right, it will be an update. Let me just do this really quick. Update. Let that complete. It should be pretty fast. All right, so it's going to knock out that update quite quick. Now, while that's updating, let's do a quick size comparison. So, Galaxy Live Buds and the Buds 2, just so you can have an idea. All right, let's get a little closer. All right, turn them over. You can see that there. The side view. So this has a smaller profile. The Live Buds have a smaller profile. Just a little bit smaller, as you can see here. But all in all, they're pretty close in size. But these should fit or stay in the ear a lot better than these, because these kind of float in your ear, while these should kind of stick with the ear tip. All right, let's keep that in mind. All right, so it completed, and you can go to Let's Go to check out some tips, or you can just hit close. I'm going to hit close. Now, I just wanted to point out these modes really quickly. All right, so of course you have active noise canceling. You have off. So if you want to kind of listen to your environment, your external environment, in case maybe a train is coming, and it pretty much turns the volume down. So the bass, everything is reduced to a minimum. So you can have an external conversation with the earbuds in your ear, or you can hear your surrounding area. Maybe you're jogging, you want to know what's going on around you, or if, again, at the airport, you want to hear an announcement. So in other words, it just helps you listen to what's going on in the exterior area, all right? And for ambient sound, it amplifies how your voice sounds, all right? I actually have them in my ear right now, and when I'm talking, it sounds like I have a microphone in front of me. You know, my voice sounds actually different and extremely clear, all right? So when you're talking on the phone and you switch it to ambient mode, you will be pleasantly surprised while having a phone conversation, all right? You don't have to talk as loud and they will hear you. But as you can see here, it tells you the battery percentage of the earbuds. And right now, of course, they're charging. All right, pretty cool. And if you lose your earbuds, you can find them with Samsung. And it also states here, if you lose your earbuds, you can find them with SmartThings Find. So you can also get that added to that setup. That way, if you lose them, you can track them. All right, so that's pretty cool. All right, as I mentioned earlier, you have the active noise canceling, so you can switch it to that. You can have it off where it is right now. Out of the box, it's going to be off. And then you have ambient sound, all right? So that's nice to have those three options. So you have earbud settings. You can go here. You have an equalizer, all right? And you can choose what works for you best, all right? Get out of this. Seamless earbuds connection, earbud fit test. So you have some different options, even the labs here, where you can add some other settings to it for gaming. Double tap earbud edge. All right, so it's pretty cool. Let's see here. All right, so if you select that, it states double tap the edge of the left earbud to turn the volume down, or the edge of the right earbud to turn the volume up. All right, so if you wanted to turn that feature on, just go ahead and turn that toggle to on and you should be good. All right, gaming mode, see here. Minimize audio delay, vivid, synchronized gaming sound. All right, so if you want to use this for gaming, definitely suggest turning this on. Again, that was in the lab setting. All right, you can check for updates, etc., etc. So for ambient sound during call, if you turn this feature on, you can hear your own voice clearly when you're on the phone. All right, increasing your comfort, especially on longer calls, works best in a quiet environment. So you have that option as well. So some nice features for the Galaxy Buds 2. Read notifications aloud, and you can also wake up Bixby. All right, so with that stated, keep this in mind as well. This case can be charged wirelessly. So if you happen to have the new wireless charge trio by Samsung, you can charge your phone, you can charge your earbuds, and you can charge your watch, all three at the same time. And in fact, let's take a look at that really quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and slide this out. All right, here we go. All right, so comes with your cable, which should be Type C to Type C. And as you can see here, it comes with a super fast charging brick as well. All right. Also keep this in mind that the wireless charge trio can charge up to 12 watts of fast wireless charging. All right, as you can see that the wireless charge trio has been plugged up. And again, what's nice about the Galaxy Buds 2 is that the case can wirelessly charge. You can see that right there. There are 3 different LEDs. The middle one is showing that this portion is charging the buds. You saw that light just come on. Well, you may not be able to see it too clearly from the camera, but this light is on and this middle light is on. Now, if I drop my phone on here, you can see that the second light is on. And of course, I can go ahead and drop the watch 4 in there. You see that third light came on and it's showing you that it's charging. So definitely liking this here. What a perfect way to top off your devices overnight. Just drop them on the wireless charge trio and you're good to go. All right, I even like this model better than last year's. All right, because it's more flat. Just drop your device on there. You're not really fishing for that sweet spot. And as you can see, of course, I have a case on this. All right, it's not naked. There's a case on this. Drop this on here and then waste any time to charge. Pretty cool. But back to the Galaxy Buds 2. All right, what I want to do is go ahead and do a sound check to see how these sound. All right, and I didn't even notice that it had sound by AKG in here. All right, but I'm going to go ahead and listen to these and see how they sound and let you know my thoughts. All right, so I had my test listen with the Galaxy Buds 2, and I got to tell you that they are definitely nice. All right, extremely comfortable, and the sound quality on these are pretty nice. All right, of course you can adjust your sound levels as I mentioned earlier. In fact, the one that I chose, that I normally choose, to be honest with you, is, let's see here, I normally go with dynamic. All right, but of course you have all your other options, but dynamic is my sweet spot. All right, but nevertheless, it was quite the experience while listening to my music watching videos, again, with zero lag, and gaming as well. No issues at all. Now, if you purchase this, I do not think you will be disappointed, especially if you're able to use your Samsung credit after purchasing the Z Fold 3 or the Flip 3, all right? Definitely worth purchasing. I do wish that these were rated higher instead of IPX2, but all in all, again, definitely a winner. Now, if you're interested in the Galaxy Buds 2, there will be a link in the description section of this video. And this completes my unboxing of the Galaxy Buds 2 and the new wireless charge trio. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.